Hello students, today we will start our fourth chapter of honeycomb. Okay, and chapter name is the ashes that made trees bloom. Ashes means rock. Okay, this is very interesting chapter. So let's start the chapter. This is the story of an honest and hardworking old couple and their pet dog. Okay, I have divided the summary of this chapter in some points. By the help of these points, you will understand the chapter. Okay, let's start now. Firstly, introduction. Once there lived an old couple. They had a pet dog named Muku. They had no children. They loved the dog as if it were a baby. The old couple fed the dog with their own chopsticks. In return, the dog also loved them much. The old man was a farmer. Every morning, Muku followed him to his fields. A heroine walked in the footsteps of the old man to pick up worms. Like his master, the dog also never harmed the bird. Okay. Next point is one day. One day the dog put his paws against the old man's legs. He motioned with his head to some spot behind. To please his pet, the old man followed him. At a little distance from there, the dog stopped. It started scratching the ground. To help his pet, the old man struck his hoe in the earth. Now there was a pile of gold before him. Okay, so the old couple became rich. They gave a feast to their friends and helped their poor neighbors. In the same village, there lived a wicked couple. They brought the dog into their garden. They set before him good food, but the dog was afraid. He neither ate nor moved. Okay, next point, death of Muku. They dragged the dog out of doors. They walked with him. When they reached a pine tree, the dog began to scratch the ground. The wicked couple was delighted. Both of them dug the ground. What they got was a dead kitten. The couple was very angry. They killed the dog. Then they flung him into the hole they had dug. They heaped the earth over his carcass. When the owner heard the news of his dog's death, he felt so sad, as if he had lost his own son. He went to the place where his pet had been buried. He mourned for a long time. Next point, a dream. That night he saw his dog in his dream. The dog asked him to cut the pine tree and make from it mortar. He also asked him to make from that wood a mill. Okay. Next point, miracle. The old man did as he was told. With much labor, he made a small ball of the wood. Then he made a long handled hammer of the wood. When the new year drew near, he decided to make some rice pastry. He put rice in the wooden mortar. The old man used the wooden hammer to pound the mass in the dirt. When the pastry was ready for baking, it turned into a mass of gold coins. The old lady took the hand mill and filling it with bean sauce began to grind. The gold dropped like rain. At the moment the greedy neighbor peeped in the window, he decided to borrow the mill. Okay. The old couple readily gave their mill to the neighbor. The man began to pound the rice and the woman began to grind. However, this time the pastry and sauce turned to the worm. They broke the mill into pieces to use it as firewood. Next point, the spirit of the dog. Once again, the spirit of the dog appeared to the farmer and told how the wicked man had burnt the mortar and mill. He asked the farmer to bring the ash of the mill for withered trees. Withered means सूखे हुए. Now at last, end of the greedy couple. At the end of the story, the farmer and the weak person had same ashes, but there was a magical power in the good farmer. He utilized this power on the withered cherry tree, and the tree bloomed. So the king rewarded him, but when his neighbor listened it, he also do same work, and his ashes went into the king's eyes and nose. So he was punished by the king. So this was the end of greedy couple. Okay, so I think you will have understood the story. Okay, so you have to find out the difficult words from the chapter, and you have to write the word meaning. The word meaning are given in your book, so you have to write these word meaning in your notebook. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, thank you.